Welcome to my channel, Cure Naturals Hub, your trusted source for natural healing. This platform is dedicated to your well-being and the healing of humanity. Subscribe and join Cure Naturals Hub. Together, let's spread knowledge, healing, and benefit for all. Which of these two super seeds can actually help you lose weight, cool your body, and boost your digestion? And what's the one dangerous mistake most people make with one of them? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one belongs in your kitchen. The basics: know your seeds. First, let's get to know them. These are Chia Seeds, or Salvia hispanica. They're ancient powerhouses from Central and South America, a staple of Aztec and Mayan warriors. Dry, they're oval with a mix of black, white, and gray spots. When soaked, they form a gel, but you can still see the seed inside, and they keep a slight crunch. Now, meet their often confused cousin, Basil Seeds, also known as Sabja or Tukmaria seeds. These come from the sweet basil plant Ocimum basilicum and are a cornerstone of Ayurveda and Asian drinks like Faluda. Dry, they are smaller, teardrop-shaped, and jet black. But the real magic and the key difference happens when they get wet. They absorb water incredibly fast, forming a much larger, translucent gel where the seed completely disappears. This is a crucial difference that leads to a major warning later. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This is where they really separate. The head-to-head breakdown. First, nutrition. Chia seeds are the undisputed champion of omega-3 fatty acids and protein, fantastic for your brain and muscles. They're also packed with calcium and phosphorus for strong bones. Basil seeds fight back with even more fiber per serving. They're also a powerhouse of iron and antioxidants, and they contain vitamin K, which is great for your blood. Both are amazing for digestion and weight loss because of their soluble fiber. This gel-forming fiber slows down digestion, helps you feel full, and stabilizes blood sugar. But because basil seeds have a higher fiber content and expand more, they might give you a slightly stronger full feeling. In Ayurveda, they're specifically known for their cooling effect, which is fantastic for soothing acidity and constipation. How you use them is a game changer. Chia seeds are versatile. You can soak them for 30 minutes for puddings, or even add them dry to smoothies and baked goods. They have a mild, nutty flavor and a gel-like texture with a crunch. Basil seeds are the specialists. They soak in just 5 to 10 minutes and must be used in drinks, desserts, and sherbets. They are virtually tasteless and have a soft, jelly-like texture, no crunch. And let's bust a big myth right now: these are not from the same plant. They are from completely different plant families. That's why their benefits and uses are so unique. So, which one is for you? Let's make this personal. Choose Chia if you are an athlete or need all-day sustained energy. Want to boost your protein and omega-3s on a plant-based diet. Love cooking and baking and want a versatile seed. Or are focused on improving your bone health. Choose basil if you suffer from acidity, heartburn, or feel like you have a hot body constitution. Live in a hot climate and want a natural internal air conditioner. Are looking for maximum fiber for digestion and weight loss. Or want a seed that disappears completely into your drinks without changing the taste. Think about it. Which one sounds more like you? Important precautions and the danger. This is the most important part of the entire video. Listen carefully. You can eat chia seeds dry. But you must never, ever eat basil seeds dry. Because they expand so rapidly, consuming them dry is a serious choking hazard. They can swell and block your throat or digestive tract. Always soak them first. Also, for both seeds, start with a small amount, like 1 teaspoon, to see how your body reacts, and drink plenty of water. If you're on any medication, it's always best to talk to your doctor first, as high fiber can affect absorption. So, after all that, who wins the ultimate seed showdown? The truth is, you do. Because now you're empowered with the knowledge. There is no single winner. Chia is your go-to for long-lasting energy and kitchen versatility. Basil is your secret weapon for instant cooling and digestive relief. And for the ultimate health hack, Why not use them together in a powerhouse summer cooler? Now, I want to hear from you. The comments are now open for the great debate. Are you Team Chia or Team Basil? Let me know which one you're going to try first and what your health goal is. If this ultimate guide helped clear up the confusion, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe to Cure Naturals Hub and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next natural health deep dive. Thanks for watching, and stay natural.